This is Chris, and we're looking at this amazingly well executed in both design and installation landscape down here in Riverside. I have one of my favorite flowering plants, penstemon, available in so many different colors and sizes now. It's just unbelievable. And then one of the first plants I ever came across in native landscaping, I don't know the name of it botanically, but monkey flower. And then various assorted grasses with different size river rock materials. I'll put the names and hyperlinks to these different river rock products on our website in the YouTube video. But you can see that the design team and the installation team did an extraordinary, excellent job in selecting all the right sizes to give this a very natural feel. This is probably one of the best low water landscapes I've come across in Southern California, from design, installation, plant selection, rock materials, all the way through. You can see you've got a really good contrast in colors of this different granite materials, from pink and beige, salt and pepper, dark, light. And these materials are not very expensive in the scale of things. There are far more expensive rock materials to work with than this stuff. This is probably the least expensive rock material you could get, and you can see that they got an amazingly strong effect in both beauty and practicality from using these lower cost SoCal rock materials. Probably could have improved it by putting a few different color penstemons in here. You know, perfection's hard to achieve, but it is darn good.